So I'm going to show you how to hide apps on your iPhone Air. So let's say you want to hide this app right here or this one. Okay, so whichever app you want, what you need to do is long press on that app, and then from the menu that appears, you want to select require Face ID. Now you have to lock an app with Face ID before you can hide it. Any hidden app has to be locked. So tap on require Face ID, and then from the menu, select hide and require Face ID. Now, if you select require Face ID, that app will be locked but not hidden. So if you want to hide an app, select hide and require Face ID. It's gonna scan your face, and then it's gonna ask you to confirm, and confirm by tapping on hide app. And that app disappears from the home screen and it's now completely hidden. Okay. So that is basically how to hide apps. Now, if you want to access hidden apps, you have to scroll all the way to the end until you get to the app library. Then you can scroll to the bottom and you should see a new folder called hidden. Now, if you tap on that, it's going to ask for Face ID, as you can see there. And then that's where you can see all your hidden apps and you can launch them from there. Thanks for watching and good luck.